Hello everyone, I am Dilshan RBPU and I am from Group S57. Our project is finding a substitute for disposable water bottles. And we can't live without taking water. We need water every day, every hour. So we need to carry water where we are going. Nowadays, we can see the most common way of carrying water is using plastic bottles. But plastic bottles causes some problems. Our task here is to find a substitute for these plastic bottles. And what are the ingredients of this product? And there are basically five ingredients. They are high density polyethylene 13%, low density polyethylene 16%, polystyrene 14%, polyethylene terephthalate 38%, hexagonal boron nitrate 15%. All of them are non-edible. Then what are the properties of this product? Flexibility. Plastic bottles can bend and return to its original shape. Water resistant. Plastic bottles will not be penetrated by water. Transparent. We can see through plastic bottles. Electricity resistant. Opposition to the flow of electric current. Softness. We can cut compressor for plastic bottles. Then what properties the ingredients give to the product? High density polyethylene gives water resistant, transparent, electricity resistant. Low density polyethylene gives flexibility, water resistant, transparent, electricity resistant, softness. And polyethylene terephthalate and hexagonal boron nitrate gives softness. Now I invite Sangeet to continue the presentation.
Hi, I am Ishan Sangeet. Let's see how is this product manufactured. First, we input raw materials to the machine. Next, it goes to dehumidifier and dryer, and next it goes to perform injection molding machine under the low pressure air and compressor set and cooling tower. And next it goes to performs, and next goes to bottle blowing machine, and we can get finally our product. Next, look at our what are the uses of this product. First one is plastic bottles are extremely lightweighted, simple to transport and won't break. Second one is plastic bottles have no harmful substance in either new or reused or resistance to attack by microorganisms. Third one is plastic bottles are easy to recycle. Third one is it exhibits excellent electrical insulating properties. Let's see what is the problem with this product. Stage 1, extraction of raw materials. Under the environmental part, the destroy the natural habitats and the lands they are being extracted. Second one is air pollution. Third one is water pollution. Under the economical part, waste of non-renewable resources. Stage 2, transforming raw materials into machine. Under the environmental part, noise pollution, toxic gas releases while the process. Second one is water uses is high. Under the economical part, waste of raw materials, high level of energy used during the making this product. Now invite continue this one, Akila.
When we look at problems due to this product largely, there are some making problems we can identify. Environmental pollution will throw up. High level of energy will use to make a bottle its economical problem. When we use these bottles, we can identify so many problems like overusing products, throwing used bottles into environment without concern, etc. Also, there are major problems in social burning bottles without recycling. People don't know about recycling enough. It is a main problem in the world. When we consider about alternatives, there are insulated stainless bottles, glass bottles, aluminum bottles, and plant-based bottles, etc. From these alternatives, we can choose insulated stainless steel water bottle as best, because stainless steel is made of natural elements to start with it, and they can be easily recycled. It solves the problem with valuable non-renewable sources by reducing the reducing the waste of non-renewable resources. When we look at benefits of this product, it can easily recycle. It is more durable than plastic, and also this can use under real condition. I would like to invite Vojit to continue this presentation.
Hello, I'm Boj Gunawardena. Let's see how our product is equal to the original product in performance. The major equality is stainless steel water bottles and plastic water bottles have some common properties such as water resistance, corrosion resistance, and also liquid which store in the water bottle doesn't change is another common property. The next equality is even the plastic water bottles are much cheaper than stainless steel water bottles. Our product could be manufactured easily as plastic water bottles. Additionally, our product is performed than plastic water bottles with eco-friendly and also long durability. Let's move on to the next slide about conclusion. Our main objective by doing this presentation is to reduce the consumption of plastic water bottles because plastic productions requires an enormous amount of energy and resources, and also recycling plastic water bottles isn't efficient. We should use alternatives instead of plastic water bottles. As a yield, we substitute stainless steel water bottle because it can be performed better than plastic bottles. Let's move on to the next slide. These are the references which we got information from. And eventually, I would like to thank all lecturers and our mentor who helps us to do this project properly. And also thank you for all group members for their contribution to become this project success. Thank you.